Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are going to be making some delicious ginger drink, or well, ginger syrup, with which we are going to make the drink. It is not just for drinks, but you can use it in your teas and your baking as well. A very multi-purpose syrup. But if you love ginger ale, you are definitely going to love this. So let's get right into it. So I have here some organic ginger which I have peeled and nicely washed, and as you can see, it doesn't have to be perfect. And I also have some cardamom pods, grains of selim also known as huintia, African nutmeg or calabash nutmeg, and 1 star anise. I am quickly going to chop up all the ginger and blend it. You can add as much water as your blender would need to blend everything. And the ginger is nicely blended. It doesn't have to be smooth, but it has to be well broken down so we can extract all the flavor from the ginger. I'm going to transfer the ginger to my cooking pot, rinse my blender and add about 3 liters of water. Next, I'm going to transfer it to my stove and add my spices. Now, you don't want to go overboard with the spices. If you do that, your drink is going to have a very bitter aftertaste, and we don't want no bitter taste in our drink. Now, gently give it a quick stir and bring it to a boil. And once it boils, you want to quickly turn it down and allow it to simmer for about 15 minutes, making sure to stir in between. And after 15 minutes, it should be looking something like this. We are now going to strain it and discard the chaff. And that's some pure ginger juice right there. I have washed my pot and I'm going to strain back the juice into it. Next, we are going to bring it back to the stove, add some sugar to make our ginger syrup. And in this recipe, it works best if you use cane sugar. I'm using unrefined cane sugar, but you may use regular plain white sugar. You will only miss out on that rich brown color. And again, we are going to simmer it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So at this stage, our ginger syrup is done. The sugar is fully dissolved and mine boiled down a little bit. I'm left with 2.5 liters of ginger syrup. I'm going to allow it to cool down completely, bottle it and store it in my fridge. And I think at this point I can actually hear someone say, "Really? Am I going to drink all of that sugar?" Well, no, this is how you make the drink. I just add some ice cubes to my glass and pour a little bit of the ginger syrup we made into it. And remember, a little goes a long way. I then add some chilled sparkling water. You can use regular water, but you're not going to get that ginger ale effect, so you definitely need sparkling water for this. You just stir it around and your drink is done. The 2.5 liters of ginger syrup we just made is going to give us about 8 to 10 liters of ginger ale depending on how sweet you want it. You can use this in your teas and baking as well. It's so versatile. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!